About getting wet in the night from cave drips. Sun is set and it's only 5:30. You want to sit and watch a little movie? Awesome. I don't know how many times we've watched this on Cambounds. How many hand warmers do you want? Nathan here is in a 15-degree bag, and the high today was 25, so it's gonna get cold tonight when this fire goes out. So we are going to load him up. Okay, let's get you all zipped up. You want me to close up your sleeping bag? Yeah. There you go. You get cold, you let me know. I'll throw more hand warmers in there. It's about 4 in the morning. I'm hearing some weird noises outside. Sounds like either a tree fell down